Hi, my name is Laura Anzovino. I'm one of the co-founders and aesthetic nurse injector at Elevation Medical Aesthetics. Elevation Medical Aesthetics is a medical spa where we focus on not only delivering fantastic patient results, but also creating a very warm, welcoming environment where all people are welcome and feel comfortable to help you meet your goals inside and out. At Elevation Medical Aesthetics, we've had the opportunity to impact our patients' lives significantly. We're helping people not only achieve their goals on the outside, but also to instill newfound confidence in them on the inside. My favorite story is a patient that I have taken care of who suffered from a cleft lip when she was born and had multiple reconstructive surgeries throughout her lifetime. And now she's in her 30s and is still struggling with the scars of having this cleft lip with multiple reconstructions. She came to me for lip filler, and for the first time in her life, we were able to give her these beautiful lips that she felt so confident in, and it really just brought so much joy, not only to her, but also to me. At Elevation, a lot of people think that we just do Botox and filler and the typical things that you would do at a medical spa, but we do so much more. We've got a full IV hydration program, we offer weight loss therapy, we do nutritional counseling, we have a full medical aesthetic skincare program. So it's more than just Botox and fillers. When you think of med spa, we offer services for everybody that can benefit all kinds of people at any stage of life. Something fun about me that you might not know is that I am a homebody at heart, and I like to do all the things that homebodies do. So I got on board the sourdough train, and I love making different things with sourdough breads and goodies, all that stuff. I love to garden in the summer, and I am a self-proclaimed crazy cat lady. What gets me motivated and excited to start my day is dropping my son off at school in the morning. We get to spend a few hours together in the morning or have a cup of coffee, and we both get ready, and then getting to say goodbye to him for the day just makes me so much more motivated to start my day and run a successful business, because ultimately I'm doing it all for him. What I love about being a part of Elevation and creating this business is that we have the ability to directly impact people's lives. It's very infrequently in life and in healthcare that you get that instant gratification of helping a patient, helping somebody better themselves. And at Elevation, I feel like I can directly impact them, whether it's through a procedure, having a simple conversation with them, or just welcoming them into the space where they feel comfortable. It's nice to have that instant gratification, and it feels really good for me and for the patients. The idea for Elevation came in the summer of 2022. I was working in the hospital where I met Dr. Sheehan, and we were working as part of an acute pain management service. And we're getting increasingly frustrated at our inability to take care of patients in the way that we wanted to take care of patients. So we had this idea to create Elevation, to create a place where we could make all people welcome, to deliver effective and safe results for our patients, and to be able to treat our patients in the way that we want to treat them. One of the things that I'm most proud of is that we built this business from nothing. It's hard to remember that when you look around and see all that we've done, but a couple of years ago, this beautiful space that we're in was a building with ugly carpet and paint and had nothing in it. And working really hard with Dr. Sheehan and an amazing team of people, we have been able to create this fantastic space and sanctuary for all of our patients. And it's really something to be proud of that I think we often forget about. A joke that I want to share is inspired by my 4-year-old, who is currently obsessed with Crossing the Road and Star Wars. So his current favorite joke, which I'm going to steal from him today, is, "Why did Darth Vader cross the road?" And the answer is obviously to get to the dark side. One of the things I find myself saying to bring a little bit of inspiration or even encouragement to myself is that without risk, there is no reward. That a lot of people have goals, we want to achieve things, but sometimes we're too afraid to do it. So one of the things that keeps me going and kind of push me a little bit further is just to remember that without taking those risks, without going out of your comfort zone, that there's no reward. You're not going to grow, you're going to be complacent, and I want to continue to push myself to do better and be better. I think the best piece of advice that I've ever been given is from my mom, and that's to be kind to everybody. In life, in business, in family, just to always treat people with kindness, because that kindness will come back to you and can translate to so many different areas of your life.